Welcome to the ultimate guide for surviving the unthinkable. Today, we're diving into the essential doomsday prep list that could one day save your life. Let's get straight to it. First up, water. You'll need at least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. Consider water purification tablets and a portable filter as backups. Water is life, so don't skimp on this. Next, food. Focus on non-perishable items that require no refrigeration, preparation, or cooking. Think canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and energy bars. Enough for 3 days at a minimum, but ideally for 2 weeks. Shelter and warmth are crucial. Have a quality tent or emergency shelter material on hand, along with sleeping bags, blankets, and thermal underwear. Don't forget a sturdy pair of shoes and a change of clothes. First aid kit. This should include the basics like bandages, antiseptics, prescription medications, and over-the-counter meds for pain, allergies, and stomach issues. Knowledge of basic first aid is as important as the kit itself. Tools and equipment. A multi-tool, flashlight with extra batteries, a manual can opener, matches or a lighter, and a whistle for signaling help. A solar charger for small devices can be a lifesaver. Communication. A hand crank or battery-operated radio to receive emergency information is vital. Consider two-way radios to keep in touch with your group if cell service fails. Personal documents. Keep copies of important documents like IDs, passports, and insurance information in a waterproof container. Cash in small denominations can also be crucial in times when ATMs are not operational. And finally, mental preparedness. The right mindset can make all the difference in a survival situation. Stay calm, think clearly, and remember your training and preparations. In a world of uncertainties, being prepared is your best defense. Start building your doomsday prep list today, because it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description and learn how to survive anything.